Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is transformation. This is confirmation that not only are things on the outside starting to change, you see that your hard work is actually working in your benefit because you changed on the inside. Things are moving. You're outgrowing people, places, things, activities, financial foundations. You're actually elevating to higher realms, things that you actually want that meets your spirit quality or what your spirit is actually working for. You put in the work, therefore you're qualified, therefore keep on moving. Everything feels different. It may feel uncomfortable, but when you're not in control, that's when you're mostly in control, and change happens. When you allow this to happen, you become a bigger being, a stronger being, and great opportunities come your way. I am constantly evolving, and I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow. Therefore, I become stronger and I can maintain and receive bigger blessings. I'm aware of my progress and I open my wings to light and I transform to something great. You're turning into the butterfly. You're turning into something beautiful because you put in the work. So continue to transform because it's for your betterment. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.